A lot happening on the farm here today. We've got little doodles hatching. The ones on the left here, colored egg layers that are going to lay shades of green and brown and who knows what. And over here we have meat chick mixes. Actually, the one that's hatched here, it might be a straight crowed Langshan. We'll see. Oops, getting cold. Close that up. Today is kind of a sad but exciting day on the farm. We are down a pig. Little Bacon was finally sent off to freezer camp. These two fellows are down a compadre here. He was a good pig. He's very mellow and good-natured, and it's pretty sad to see him go. But it's going to provide a lot of meat for the freezer, so that's good. That's my boar there, Poa, with the next feeder pig, next one there. Little fatty. So, kind of sad but exciting at the same time because meat, but it's always sad to see a critter go. We didn't film this part for obvious reasons. It's kind of a personal thing when you have to take the life of an animal. So, yeah, it'd be nice to film him being butchered and processed, but that's being done across town. Maybe in the future, we'll see. Well, never done this before, but with everybody running out like crazy and buying toilet paper and, you know, cleaning out the stores the past couple months, I'm ready for pandemic round 2 here. Ordering toilet paper through the mail. A little different. Never done that before, but yeah, 48 rolls delivered to your door, made out of bamboo or recycled paper. Not getting any compensation off this video, just putting it out there for people who might actually, you know, want to stock up before the next royally shit hits the fan event. So, thought I'd throw that out there. And the same place that does the toilet paper also does paper towels. Don't even have to leave your house for paper towels or toilet paper. What a time to be alive. Alright, that's it, and Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to fuck with.